A rip your face off rally. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And as we talked about last night, we're going to see a rip your face off rally. And sure enough, unfortunately, it didn't open low enough and stay down for more than 3 seconds this morning before the rip your face off rally started. It's been real rangy all day and keep pushing higher and pushing to highs. And of course, that's what we saw is the old rip your face after the puke. They ripped them off and ran them up. It was amazing. The overnight trading was, the Dow Futures were down lock limit for a little bit, and we had just an amazing rally on huge volume. And these are the biggest volume days I've ever seen in the Dow Futures. But we've got this thing going on. And again, this is what we were looking for. We wanted to see a rip your face off rally to give us an opportunity to sell into it. And we'll look for some levels and see if we can find an opportunity to go ahead and sell here. Because this was, again, the markets, this is not, they didn't cure themselves overnight. This sell-off has been building. So it's no surprise that after you get a major turndown for 2 days, you get a rally. If you even go back to 87, we had a rally on Tuesday in 1987. Now, again, I'm not predicting a crash. I'm just saying that I'm looking to sell. I think this is an opportunity as you look for it and you look for the right level. And of course, these rip your face off rallies are very common in markets that are either bear markets or markets that are turning over to the other side. We think this is turning over to the other side. Gold got clobbered, amazingly enough. It's always funny, because we've been telling you to short gold. Oil lower again, another one we've been looking to sell. So the bonds rallied a teens, a little bit, but nothing to get too excited about. Again, bonds are a sale. Basically, almost every asset class is a sale right now, except for the grains. The grain markets were higher and nicely higher. Soybeans, again, made it over that 985 level. Let's see if they can hold here. Corn and wheat were both up, and of course, the meats sold off, which is exactly kind of what we expected throughout the day, was sell meats into a rally and buy grains into a dip. The Bitcoin was up a little bit, but there's a lot of problems with some regulations. I think that, some of the cryptocurrencies are probably a buy. Again, I'm not so sure about the Bitcoin itself, but cryptocurrencies are here to stay. They're real. They're going to be around. And you're going to look for more selling. This rally was natural. You're basically getting back about half of the sell-off, which is about right. And again, you want to look for good solid levels to go ahead and take advantage of them. You don't want to, again, these rallies look so powerful. How can you not want to be in? And that's the ones that you actually want to sell. We look for more of this volatile action as we see it. We had one of the ETFs, the XIV, collapse, which created a major volatility push and some of the volatility products because they didn't know what to do. So this is a pure sign of panic trading. You'll hear them say on TV, well, no, this is all very orderly. Well, Dow Futures moving 100 ticks at a time is not orderly. Okay, having $2 wide markets in the most liquid markets in the world, like the spiders, are not normal trading. So you can listen to the crap all you want. The bottom line is these markets are afraid to death. And of course, this is market maker time because they get to set real wide orders for anybody who wants to puke out or reach up. But that's why we couldn't get in, because we didn't want to reach up into the market. But at the end of the day, you want to look for a solid place to sell. And that's what we're looking for. And we'll try to define some levels after we can see some actual trade. Because right now, you're better off, unless you're a real pro and you can stomach a real risk. This is probably a great time to sit it out on the sidelines and watch and observe for a while until the market comes to where you want to get in and do your thing, and then you're willing to take the risk. Again, it's a very challenging market because of the width of the way that they're trading. The bid-offer spreads are nuts. The futures are moving in amazing clips. I mean, it's just how fast they can go. I mean, you watched yesterday a 1,200-point rally in the Dow in less than 8 minutes. So this is a great time to be very careful and look for your levels. You got a level, you can go ahead and set these in. Normally, we don't set the orders ahead of time. Now I would, because again, they could just spike up there in a second. So be careful and be cautious here. But we will settle down, and we do believe the tops are in, and now we're looking for opportunities to sell. Keep that in mind. And remember, also keep it in mind, highschoolinvesting.com. That's our site for teaching high schools. And of course, we have over 300 high schools. And we're trying to educate our youth. And I do need your help. After 7 years of supporting it myself, I am now looking for some help. And anybody who does will get 1 free week of my advisory, which is on futures. And all you have to do is go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading, and you can help me out, help a brother out. And of course, don't forget to watch and download the Bubba Show every day at libertytalk.fm. It's 4 to 5 Eastern time each and every day. You can hear me talking about markets as well. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow, same time, same station. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.